Hey everyone, it's Martin Price from What Online Global, and I just wanted to make this video about my Clickfunnels account because I've just recently bought it, and I went for the $3,000 package, which has tons and tons of additional stuff in it. But I just wanted to show you what the options were and then quickly run through what the dashboard looks like when you get a Clickfunnels account. So before I bought, there were various options, and it used to be that there was a $19 a month package. I'm not sure if that's still available because when I'm looking now online, it's showing a $97 a month package. It's showing a $297 for platinum per month package, but then there's also the Funnel Builder Secrets packages, which are either a nearly $2,000 package and a $3,000 package. And I went for the $3,000 package when I bought it because I really wanted to invest in my business and I wanted to get all the additional bonuses as well. So for me, it's a business expense that I absolutely needed to make. So you've got options there on the type of purchase that you are going to get involved with ClickFunnels at various levels. So if we quickly have a look at the features on the $97 a month plan, then obviously you get the share funnels, you get up to 20 funnels and 100 pages, only one user. The good thing about the platinum version is that you can get someone working for you, designing and building your funnels on your behalf, and they don't need your login. They can have their own separate login so that you've got those different accounts. Brilliant idea. Payment gateways, 3 on the $97 plan and 9 on the platinum plan. 9 domains as well, which is great. And then follow-up funnels is all about the email autoresponders, which I'm getting to grips with a little bit, but I've been using Aweber for a year now and I really like Aweber, and it integrates with ClickFunnels, which is ideal. So if I didn't want to get rid of my Aweber, then I can continue and integrate that as my follow-up series for emails. Yeah, you get priority support apparently on the chat, hackathons, etc., etc. I don't need to go through all of this, but just to say that the platinum version is obviously incredible value, I think, and these are all the things that you get. I'll just quickly scroll down just to show you. There we go. So there's something else called the ClickFunnels Collective coming out soon. I've no idea what that is, but look out for that as well. So here's the package that I bought, the $3,000. It includes 12 months of account for ClickFunnels, your ClickFunnels account, which in itself, obviously with the Platinum, is $3,600 if you just buy the $297 package. So there's a saving there. Traffic Secrets in itself is phenomenal. Worth it's the money just by itself with the hints and tips in there, and then obviously money back guarantee, etc., etc. So yeah, take a look at those. I'll put links at the bottom for you if you wanted the additional bonus and coaching from me on ClickFunnels. I'm happy to give you all of those bonuses. Obviously, if you sign up for ClickFunnels via my affiliate link, I'd be more than happy to agree an additional ton of bonuses that I can give you from my experience in my daytime IT consultancy experience, as well as now the online marketing experience as well. So that's that. Let's have a quick look at the dashboard then of what exactly I get. I'm new to it, as I've just said, so these earnings are me just testing the funnel that I built, which is this 0 to hero funnel. I think it looks pretty good. I've just got to start getting it out there, marketing it, and trying to get people enticed into buying my first funnel that I've built, and that was called the 0 to hero funnel here. There's a new one that I'm just going to design and build, which is called the social media science course. So that's all about how to use social media in your business and to create a massive amount of leads and traffic and obviously customers from that. So yes, there's the basic ClickFunnels, there's the Platinum, that's the Collective, whatever that is, and then Collective Plus. So what do I get? I get Click Start, Funnel Builder Secrets, Traffic Secrets, which I've been through quite a few of those modules, and like I've said before, absolutely worth its weight in gold. Funnel scripts I haven't really used just yet, but again, that's something I really want to use because if you're stuck with the copy that you need to put into your emails and your adverts and your opt-in pages, etc., funnel scripts will really help you by you just putting in some keywords into phrases, and it types out the copy for you. And then 9 secret funnels, which I haven't looked at all. So yeah, that's I've got an award for 20 pages built. Woohoo! I haven't actually built 20 pages because I imported a share funnel from someone else. But anyway, got an award for that, and then I've built my own funnel as well. So that's basically it. Here's all of the funnel flicks training, which is incredible. I've been through some of these. The affiliate bootcamp is incredible. If you are looking at ever using ClickFunnels as one of your affiliate marketing revenue streams, and then documentaries, I started going through which one? The ClickFunnels story, which is amazing. It's a great documentary, and there's tons and tons in here that I haven't actually looked at yet. So yes, it says upgrade, but I think the padlock's unlocked, so I'm hoping that I am unlocked. Traffic. So as you can see, tons of value, and I'm more than happy with the purchase so far. So go check it out. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the basics of ClickFunnels, and there'll be more as and when I get round to them.